Okay, first we're gonna attach the top together. Line that up. Take your screw and put that in there. And tight, just snug that up a little bit. Doesn't need to be super tight. Lay that down. Take the first lens, drop it right in there. There's a little notch right here on the right hand side. So just line that notch up with the notch in the glass. Get it like that, hold it together, and then flip it over, holding it together. Then take your other screw here. We got truck action outside. And just get this one started so it holds it in place. Flip it back over. Take the other lens, drop it right in there. Make sure that everything's snapped up there. There's a notch on this side. Okay, so just line up that notch and then put it in and just have it like that. I've got my hand on the inside holding onto the lens. I push down on that and push up on the frame and it just snaps into the groove like that. Okay. And then just attach that one. And then you can just go around and tighten them all up. You're good to go. That's it. Okay. Boom.
Nice.